Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose General Management. Following that, just click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some typing features are over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, tap on the sweater next to it, or click on it and tap on the sweater here. You can also scroll down, choose more typing options, and manage all of them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!